Today I have a little bit a different kind of video for you because some friends have been visiting me this summer, but we weren't very lucky with the weather. So what we did, we made our own LUDO game. I'm under attack, sorry. So yeah, I'm not even sure how you call it in English. I think it's LUDO. In Germany we play it a lot. It's called something like Don't Get Upset, and in Spanish it's called Hashish, I think. And wanting to play it with Spanish friends, I figured out that the rules are actually different in Spain. Funny enough, like there are different rules in Germany and in Spain. So let me show you how we did this.
Quero morar numa casinha feita à mão, uma floresta onde eu possa plantar o que quiser e andar de pé no chão.
First of all, I had a piece of wood lying around. This was actually the top of a pallet I recycled. You can check out a video from how I got pallets. I think it's here. From how I got pallets from the city and brought them back to my land. And I just took the top part of a pallet and I cut it into a board, no? Marking the measures and then with the saw cutting it and then sandpapering it a little bit. And then the board basically was done. One of my friends then painted all the circles, the houses of the different colors, and she made this really nice decoration. I think she did a really good job. And meanwhile, me with another friend, we were preparing the players. And we just took a stick, a piece of eucalyptus. You know, I have a lot of eucalyptus, so we just took a piece of eucalyptus, a branch, cut it into small pieces, also sandpapered it a little bit, and then we painted it. It took us a day, between 4 people actually, well, maybe 3.5 people. The one daughter of my friend is still quite young, but it was really an amazing time we had together. It was raining, but we were doing something anyhow, and then the nice thing was that in the evening we could try our game. So for the rest of the week they spent here. The weather actually got nicer, but every evening, or nearly every evening, we were playing this anyhow. So I would really recommend you to try this yourself. I mean, obviously you can buy it in a store, but you can also have a good time preparing the board and the players yourself. Just make sure that the figures of the players are actually thick enough. Maybe you can see the difference here. The red ones are a little bit slimmer than the blue ones. So the red ones are really prone to falling. So, do you want to play? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Keep it real, keep it healthy, and keep it peaceful, internally and externally. See you soon, bye bye.
Eu quero morar numa casinha feita à mão, uma floresta onde eu possa plantar o que